Hello, this is Mojmir from Portuni Mobilis. Welcome to Only Pools and Houses. Today we are visiting village Fakini near Motovun.
The village of Fakini is easiest to find if you start from Livade towards Opertal, and after 2.5 kilometers turn right along the newly paved road that leads all the way to the house. Livade is a small town of about 100 inhabitants located in the heart of Istria, in the valley of the river Mirna at the foot of Motovun. Let's go back to the property for sale. It consists of a house located on building land, approximately 705 square meters, and land located outside the construction area, approximately 1,375 square meters. The house is located on the upper northern part of the land, and the southern part of the land descends all the way to the paved road. Since the house is located on a relatively steep slope, a permanent view of the surrounding hills and Motovun is guaranteed. The external dimensions of the house are approximately 20 per 6 meters. The stone house, which probably dates to the second half of the 19th century, was structurally renovated at the beginning of the 21st century, but the adaptation was not professionally carried out, so the roof collapsed and the house is now half ruined.
If you like that video, please take a moment to click the like button and also subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to see this property or have any questions, call or text us.